They must take into account local zoning laws, land topology, and potential environmental impacts. Pre-construction. Once the blueprints are ready, we move on to pre-construction. This phase includes site survey and soil testing to ensure the ground can support the proposed structure. A thorough site analysis helps in identifying any potential challenges that might arise during construction. Securing permits. Next, it's time to secure the necessary permits from local authorities. Construction startups must obtain permits for specific projects, ensuring the planned work complies with local building codes and regulations. Without permits from local authorities, construction cannot legally begin. It's crucial to have all paperwork in order to avoid any future complications. Site preparation. With the permits in hand, the site preparation begins. Trees, rocks, and any existing structures are cleared. The land is then leveled and the foundation outline is marked. Laying the foundation. Now, it's time to lay the foundation. Whether it's a slab, crawl space, or full basement, the foundation provides the necessary support for the structure above. It's crucial that the foundation is solid, as it sets the stage for the rest of the construction. Framing. Once the foundation is set, the framing begins. Skeleton of the buildings to take shape as the walls, floors, and roof structure are built. This is often one of the most exciting stages as the building begins to visibly rise from the ground.
Ash.
Roofing and exterior walls. With the framing complete, roofing and exterior walls are installed.
Hey.
These provide shelter and protection from the elements, making it possible for work to continue inside the building regardless of weather conditions.
Bueno,
Installing utilities.
se vaya a
Yeah, but
Next, it's time to install utilities. Electricians run wiring for lights and outlets, while plumbers install pipes for water and sewage. This behind-the-scenes work is vital to the functionality of the finished building. Insulation and drywall. Next, insulation is installed in the walls and attic spaces to ensure energy efficiency. Then, drywall panels are hung and plastered. Creating the walls and ceilings of the interior. Interior finishing. We're now ready for interior finishing. This involves painting the walls, installing doors and trim, laying flooring, and 7 tiles. This is where the building truly starts to feel like a home or a functional workspace. Exterior finishing. Meanwhile, the exterior finishing also takes place. It includes painting the outer walls, installing windows and doors, and any other exterior details. Landscaping is also a part of this phase, enhancing the aesthetics and functionality of the surrounding space. Installing fixtures and appliances. Back inside, it's
Ang
time to
yotan.
install fixtures and appliances.
Yotan.
Yotan.
Mas yotan.
This includes everything from light fixtures and bathroom fittings to kitchen appliances and HVAC systems. Final inspection and handover. The final step is the inspection by local authorities to ensure everything is up to code. Once the building passes, it's time to hand over the keys to the new owners.
We have a nice brand new slab here. Place looks pretty clean. Let's see how much I'd say that after I start working on it. Check parallel over make sure that the numbers match up. But this is around a 1,200 square foot build with some patio space in the back. This is an 80 unit accessory dwelling unit. We're going to be doing the framing on it, setting the windows as well. Our whole lumber package is here. I love working with this specific lumber yard because they spread everything out equally as opposed to just dropping in a big bundle. This looks awesome. We're going to have a good day. It's warming up today, so I've got on my little neck sleeve where I don't burn. We're going to throw on the GoPro, show you guys what this process looks like from start to finish. If you guys have any questions about framing whatsoever throughout the process, drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. But with that said, welcome to GoPro.
Hello, Shoyan here. In season 5, we built a new, fully Western style home, which is finally complete. It took just over 5 months. Let's take a quick look inside. This is the 5th new home I've worked on. It's a highly airtight, well-insulated house built to long-life quality housing standards. This is my first time working on a long-life quality.